when I started arguing the case, after that, in the arguments I had told the court that this is a very weird case where there is not a millimeter movement of money, not a millimeter movement of immovable property. All the properties remain with AJL, and yet there is money laundering. AJL is now owned 90% by another company, Young India. That is all that has happened. Not-for-profit companies are made every time to make one company debt-free. Every corporate in India is doing it. To make my company debt-free, I can have a transfer of shares. But Young Indian Company is a very remarkable company. It's a not-for-profit company where all the directors, Kharge ji, Sonia ji, late Motilal Vora ji, etc., etc., not one of them can get 1 paisa dividend, even if they want to give a dividend. They can get no profit. They can get no dispersal. They get no car, building, staff, nothing. And there is money laundering. So today the judgment is significant because cognizance is the lowest form of dealing with a case. It is very easy to take cognizance of a case. It means that the case is not worth taking cognizance of. And here you see the amount of the halla gulla shor machaya hai. BJP has made a superstructure of exaggeration.
So do you think there is a motive behind this Delhi police FIR?
Delhi police FIR is a subsequent development intended to cure, supposedly to cure the defect I pointed out when I argued the matter. Because there was no FIR earlier by the Delhi police.
Thank you so much.